Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Strange Time Volume 3 Deepwoken only ways. Head to the only way spawn and equip fast movement gear, then follow the ghostly timer path without stopping. Use dodges to avoid hazards and keep an eye on the countdown icons above your head. If you miss a checkpoint, reset to the nearest shrine and retry with the same route. Stay calm and repeat until you secure the volume. In this video, I will show how to get Strange Time Volume 3 Deepwoken only way. Equip mobility items like sprint boots and stamina regen trinkets before attempting the run. Pick abilities that grant quick bursts or invulnerability frames to pass tight timing windows. Keep healing consumables ready to recover between hazards without pausing your route. Practice the sequence slowly, then speed up as muscle memory improves to nail the run consistently. In this video, I will show how to get Strange Time Volume 3 Deepwoken only ways. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes waiting between runs and grinding sessions far comfier since you can read handy guides or lore anywhere. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tips and walkthroughs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to get Strange Time Volume 3 Deepwoken only way. Memorize each checkpoint and the timer rhythm so you react automatically during runs. Rely on visual landmarks and subtle audio cues to time dodges and sprints precisely. Break the route into small segments and master each one before chaining them together for a full attempt. With repetition and patience, you will improve your consistency and secure the volume.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.